When we are discussing about railways, we should also understand the distribution of railways in India. Basically, it is influenced by physiographic, economic and administrative features. First of all, we will discuss about the physiographic features. That is, number one is northern plains. As we all know that plains have dense network due to level land. High population and rich agricultural resources also help in distribution of railways. But there are many obstacles also. There are numerous bridges which are required on large number of rivers. Secondly, we have hilly tracts and plateau areas. Under this, tracks through low hills, gaps and tunnels are there. Various obstacles are also faced in these regions. Himalayas are unsuitable for railway tracks due to high relief, sparse population and lack of economic opportunities. Thirdly, we have other unfavorable areas. Under this, we have sandy plains of western Rajasthan, swamps of Gujarat and forested tracts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Jharkhand.